Here are some interesting facts about Tesla which might blow your mind away. Tesla was founded in 2003 by a group of engineers who wanted to prove that electric cars could be faster and more fun to drive than gasoline cars. Tesla's first headquarters was in a small office in California that was just big enough to fit a conference table and a few chairs. Elon Musk became the majority shareholder and CEO of Tesla in 2008 after investing $70 million of his own money into the company. Tesla's first car, the Tesla Roadster, was based on a sports car made by Lotus. Tesla purchased the chassis and replaced the gasoline engine with an electric motor. Tesla's Gigafactory in Nevada is the largest building in the world by footprint, covering over 5.3 million square feet. Tesla's autopilot feature uses a combination of cameras, radar, and ultrasonic sensors to provide semi-autonomous driving capabilities. Tesla's electric motors have only one moving part, making them more reliable and durable than traditional gasoline engines. Tesla's Model S was the first electric car to receive a perfect score in Consumer Reports' annual reliability survey. Tesla has built the world's largest network of fast charging stations for electric cars, called superchargers. Tesla's batteries are used to store energy from solar panels, making it possible for homeowners to power their homes with renewable energy. Tesla's Model X features falcon wing doors that open upward instead of outward, providing easier access to the vehicle in tight parking spaces. Tesla's Model 3 became the best-selling electric car in the world in 2020, with over 365,000 units sold. Tesla's Model Y, an electric SUV, was designed to be built on the same platform as the Model 3, which helps reduce costs and streamline production. Tesla's bioweapon defense mode is a feature that activates a high-efficiency particulate air (HEPA) filter system that can remove 99.97% of all particulate matter and almost all harmful gases and pollutants from the cabin. Tesla's electric semi-truck, the Tesla Semi, boasts a range of up to 500 miles on a single charge. Tesla's solar panels are made with tempered glass that is as strong as steel and is designed to withstand hail and other extreme weather conditions. Tesla is developing a new type of battery, called the Million-Mile Battery, that is designed to last for over 1 million miles and reduce the cost of electric cars. Tesla is working on a project to create a Hyperloop transportation system, which would use a system of tubes and pods to transport passengers at high speeds. Tesla's factory in Shanghai, China, was built in just 10 months and is capable of producing up to 250,000 cars per year. Tesla's market capitalization surpassed $700 billion in 2021, making it one of the most valuable companies in the world. Thanks for watching the video. Please don't forget to subscribe to our channel.